Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Planet Parade over Sydney Opera House. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an image taken almost 4 years ago, back in 2022, showing 4 planets in the sky above the Sydney Opera House in Australia. And here we can see Jupiter, Venus, Mars, and Saturn forming a straight line in the sky. Now, the planets will follow a line like this, and that's because our solar system is flat. So all the planets will orbit around in the same flat plane. Essentially, if you draw the solar system on a piece of paper, it's not a bad approximation to reality. And when you look at it edge on, which is essentially what we're doing here from our view in the solar system, everything seems to line up. So you will notice that the planets and the moon will tend to line up in the same direction and follow a straight line like this. So here we see what is a planet parade from 4 years ago. So why are we looking at it again now? Well, there's another planet parade visible. And that is one you can see this week with 4 different planets visible to the unaided eye. So this week you will see Venus closest to the horizon, and it will be the brightest of the planets. Above that will be Mercury, the hardest planet to see in general, and then Saturn up above that, and finally Jupiter. And in this case, you can actually see 2 more planets lined up as well, but you need binoculars or a telescope to see the others. And that would be the planets Neptune and Uranus, which will fall in between Saturn and Jupiter. So you have a parade of 6 planets this time, although the only ones that you're going to be able to see without the aid of a telescope are going to be those 4. So here we see the one from 2022, which is essentially the same 4 planets, the only difference being that Mars, back in 2022, has now been replaced by Mercury. Now, you may wonder where you have to be able to see this planet parade, and in reality, it doesn't matter. Anywhere on Earth, as long as it's dark and you have clear skies, we'll be able to get the view of the sky similar to what we see today in our image from 4 years ago. You would be able to see those planets lined up in the west after sunset. So you want to look not too far after sunset. Just as soon as it's starting to get dark, you'll be able to start picking out maybe even Venus early, or Jupiter, which will be bright and a little farther away from the sun. And then hopefully you can pick out the other 2 as well, seeing Mercury and Saturn, which will be a little bit fainter. So a chance to pick up 4 planets all at one time right now this week, with the best viewing being this coming weekend. So that was our picture of the day, titled Planet Parade over Sydney Opera House. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be a space egg. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.